Present simple questions. Hey, we have been learning about this topic all this module. Present simple questions. Remember, we have learned about the auxiliaries do and does and the verb be. Let's see it. Do, does versus be. And we learned that the verb be has three different conjugations. Am, is, are. Now, what's the difference between them? First of all, we use auxiliaries in present simple tense to ask for daily activities, to ask for daily routine. That's it. But we use the verb be, am, is, are, to ask about nouns, adjectives, or prepositions. Come on, let's see some examples. The first one, where you live. You remember? Which is the correct auxiliary here? Do or does? Well, we learned that we use I, you, we, they, and plural nouns with do. This is where you live. Or maybe, what time she? You remember that? Of course. We use he, she, it in the singular noun with the auxiliary does. So what time does she wake up? And what about Jimmy? Jimmy work? It's a question. We don't know. Jimmy work? Well, the correct auxiliary here is does. Does Jimmy work? So what happened here? This side, we use auxiliaries and verbs. Could you see activities? Leave, wake up, work, study, go to the gym, go home, get home. All of these are verbs, activities. And we need to use auxiliaries to ask about it or them in present simple tense. But don't forget it, use the correct one, do or does. Of course, we use do for I, you, we, they, and plural nouns, and does with he, she, it, and singular nouns. What about the verb be? Well, we use the verb be when we have or we ask about a noun, an adjective, or a preposition. Look at the first example here. Where you from? From. This is not a verb. This is a preposition. So we need to write a verb here. And the one is the verb be. So the question is, which is the correct conjugation for the pronoun you? You remember? Where are you from? Where is you from? Where am you from? Of course, where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Ecuador. Oh no, I'm from Colombia. I'm from Canada. You're from Australia. Where are you from? That's it. Look at the next one. We have what her name. Name. This is a noun. It's not a verb. It's not an option. Name is a noun. So we have to write a verb here. Of course, the verb is. But the question is, her name. What is her name? What are her name? What am her name? Well, the correct option is. What is her name? Because we're only talking about a singular noun, name. So what is her name? Oh, Susan. Julia. What is her name? And the last example here is Jimmy sad. Well, I have completed. So sad is an adjective. Sad, happy, terrible, ridiculous, bossy. All of these are adjectives, and we need the verb be to ask for them. So, is Jimmy sad? No, he isn't. He is happy. Is Jimmy exhausted? Yes, he is. And that's it. So come on, let's do a review one more time. We need auxiliaries in present simple tense, like do and does, when we use verbs or activities in our question. Where do you live? What time does she wake up? Does Jimmy work? All of these are verbs, activities, actions. But we need the verb be in a question when we ask for a noun, an adjective, or a preposition. Where are you from? Are you happy? Are you sad? Is she intelligent? Yeah, she is. And that's it. So come on, let's take notes. Now you know.